2,
3.
Tots TV. I'm a tot.
Je suis une Tot TV.
Tom.
Tiny.
We're the Tots on Tots TV. 1, 2, 3, blue.
Lovely donkey.
Oh, friend donkey.
Allez, viens.
Some of this next, Tiny. Yep, oh, yep. Oh, Tom, that's so messy.
Tiny,
Yeah.
we're making the biggest sandwich ever.
Yeah, the biggest sandwich in the whole world. Right, piece of bread.
Yeah, more bread.
Yeah.
Right, where's my jam?
Oh, put some jam on it. Put
Yeah,
some
more
jam. On
jam.
it. Yeah.
Here we are.
Yeah.
More jam.
More bread, more bread.
More bread.
Yeah.
More jam.
More jam, more jam, more
Yeah.
jam. More bread.
More jam.
And 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 more bread.
More jam.
C'est bon. Oh, gentil poupée, vous en voulez un peu? Bien, d'accord. Je vais téléphoner à Tom et Tiny pour les inviter à écouter mon histoire. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, telephone.
Tom's sandwich is ringing.
It's all sticky. Oh, Tiny.
Sorry.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tots House. Tom speaking, and I'm sticky. It's all right.
Bonjour Tom, c'est Tilly à l'appareil.
Oh, hello, Tilly.
Tom, j'ai terminé mon histoire. Est-ce que tu veux venir écouter?
She said her story's finished.
Oh, well, her story's ready.
Allez, venez vite, hein.
Oh, well, I'm sorry, Tilly, but the thing is, we're a bit sticky at the moment.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm all sticky with red jam. I
Yeah,
am.
sticky sandwiches we've been
Yeah, we
making.
both are.
Écoute Tom, il y a de la confiture collante dans mon histoire.
Tiny.
Yeah.
Her story's all about sticky red jam.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
God, that's funny because we've got sticky red jam everywhere.
Yeah, I know.
Even in the story.
Tilly, yeah, we'd love to come and listen to your sticky story.
D'accord.
Oh, yeah, sticky story, Tiny.
Yeah.
We'll eat that later.
Should we bring the sandwich?
No, bring it later.
All right, then.
Bien, voilà. Et voilà le livre de Tilly. Tu es prêt, Tiny?
Yeah, I'm ready to leave.
Et toi, tu es prêt, Tom?
Ready, Tilly.
Écoutez l'histoire de Tilly. Il était une fois 3 petits personnages. 1, 2, 3. Voilà, c'est fini.
Oh.